Namaste. How are you, friends? I hope you're getting a lot of benefit from the previous video I posted. And thank you so much for all the positive response that you have given and shown. Those who are you are new or those who are my current viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. The name of it Yoga Shraddha 4. And if you're following from Instagram, welcome to my Instagram account Yoga Shraddha 4. And as the name suggests, my name is Shraddha. I am a 200 hours certified yoga lens teacher, and I'm trying to teach yoga online. So today's video is about standing tall on your feet and how does it affect your pelvic area. So have you played Lego when we were a kid? You know, and the Legos, the foundation should be strong, and that's how when you build the strong foundation, you can stack on each other. And if you're building a tower or anything, the alignment matter. The angle, the alignment, right kind of um, that tower posture matters. Same way, when we stand, the way we stand, that matters. I'll explain in the video. Before that, as you all know, I always give a quick disclaimer. So my first disclaimer is please consult your doctor or um, your general medical professional before starting any kind of new yoga routine or exercise, because you know your body better. And please do it with awareness. And my second disclaimer is I'm not claiming that I'm discovered something new. Whatever I'm trying to teach, that is mine. I'm just trying to teach what I've learned from my various the course I've done, the yoga certification, or watching online videos, or whatever seminars I've attended. Okay, and whatever the information I'm giving, it's only for general guidelines on my website, on my social media, or on my YouTube channel. Okay, so these are the quick disclaimer. And again, this YouTube channel is dedicated to my divine friend Maitreya Dadashreeji. He is from Maitribodh Parivar, and I've learned a lot from Sadhguruji also. So this is another dedication to Sadhguruji also. So I'm going to chant my Guru's mantra. You can chant with me or just listen. Okay. Om Jyotirupaya Param Sakhaya Paramanandaya Radha Namo Namaha. Om Jyotirupaya Param Sakhaya Paramanandaya Radha Namo Namaha. Om Jyotirupaya Param Sakhaya Paramanandaya Radha Namo Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Focus on a couple of breaths. And my second prayer is gonna be for a Yoga Guru Patanjal Muni. Yogena Chittasya Padena Vacham Balam Sharirasya Jagaitagena Yopakarotam Pravaram Muninam Patanjalim Pranjalyana Abahu Purushakaram Shankachakrasidharinam Sahasrashirsam Shvetam Pranamami Patanjalim. Hari Om. Shanti Shanti Shanti. So by chanting their mantra, we are giving a gratitude to our Guru and trying to focus our energy on this moment, whatever we are trying to do. So as I said, the foundation need to be strong. Our legs are a foundation for our whole body. The way we stand on one side, putting weight on the other side, or putting our weight too much like forward or backward, or slouching, or over bending our back, that everything affects slowly, and it creates a lot of pressure on our feet and knee and back. So um, this is our feet, and this is a heel bone. So this is the inner side of the heel area, and this is the outer side of the heel area. and this is the inner side of the big toe mount, and that's the outer side of the pinky side of the toe. These 4 points are very important, and this natural arch, uh, you know, we have this natural arch, we have to maintain, we should try to maintain this arch. And if we uh, imagine a center line from a midline from our crown of the head towards down, and divide our body into two equal parts. So our right side of the body weight should be try to put on equally on both the whole feet area. So we are not putting too much weight on the toe side or too much weight on the back side, the heel side. Okay, same with goes with the left hand side too. Okay, and you should spread our toes as much as you can. Okay, and lift your heel up, put it down, and lift, press the ground with your both the feet, and lift from the back. Okay, and roll your shoulder back, and slowly try to focus that our heel, ankle, kneecap is lifting up. We are not just lifting slightly up. We are not overbending or locking the knee. Like, okay, this is if this is our knee joint, we are not hyperextending or locking. Okay, same goes with any kind of joint. We don't lock or hyperextend in any kind of joints. Okay, in yoga, and our breath is always smooth and even. Um, and keep your shoulder, sternum aft, lift up, and shoulder back. Okay, and we have to try to do our bottom down. So this is a new thing I learned by doing the bottom down. Our this side of the stomach get uh, in the proper place where it's needed. The sacrum area is also slowly, regular practice, it will come to a neutral position where it's needed. So we are not gonna overbend or slouch. Okay, and some people say like I used to do that before. I used to hold my breath, to hold tighten the core. I used to understand that I should hold my breath, but no. While doing bottom down action, it automatically our core get tightened and we don't hold breath. Yeah. So this is the basic information. I have given it many times, but it's really really helpful. So if you can't do it while standing for the beginner, you can always take a help of a wall, or I'm going to lie down and show you more like another way to do it. So you lie down, put your feet to the wall and spread your toe finger and push the heel. Okay, and then you have to sit on your bottom buttock bone. Okay, so bend your leg in the knee. Okay, first, and then put your one hand under the buttock and the other leg but another buttock. So you will feel that bone part, that is your buttock bone. Slowly extend your feet. Okay, go slow, and if you can't sit down, just take a help of a chair. Okay, go do the modification as per your body, and as per your how much you can do. Okay, don't overdo it. As I said, please understand your body, listen to your body, because you know your body better. And then those who can't, if you're doing, lie down on the ground, sit down on the chair, face the chair, face your body part towards the wall, and push, try to push by feet the wall on the sitting on the firm chair, firm and sturdy chair. Okay, so I'm gonna show the lying down thing, and then slowly go lie down. Okay, very slowly and gradually. So see, there's a gap in my back area. See, right now also, after doing so many years practice, I also have to make sure that I'm doing it correctly. So there should not be any gap between your back and the ground. Okay, so for that I'm gonna move my buttock down. At the same time, I'm gonna push the wall. Then I'm gonna make sure my ankle, my kneecap is lifted up, my thigh bone is back, and my shoulders lifted up. They are in one line or not. My hands are next to my body, and just gaze up. Okay, press the wall by your whole feet. Okay, and just focus what is happening. Chin is trying to tuck your chin to your collarbone. Go as much as you can. Okay, and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then slowly turn on your right. Push while coming up. With the other hand, push the ground. Slowly come up. Okay. So this small changes. Yeah. So this small changes in our day-to-day life is gonna affect a lot, make a bigger impact. Okay. So I hope today's video you're gonna practice and gonna get a lot of benefit. Those who have issues for flat feet or back pain or knee pain, they can slowly gradually understand and to take a help of a wall or a chair if you can't lie down. Okay, or if you have severe pain, just do it with in-person trainer. Okay, I'm not any kind of a medical profession expert, but I'm trying to give a different kind of options, okay, for the different kind of audience out there. Yeah. So another quick announcement, I have created the beginner yoga pal course. It's like learning your ABCs about yoga, so you can start your yoga journey, which kind of yoga you want to do, or if you have any kind of myth. I hope that will get you will get more traction way forward and dive deep confidently into a vast subject of yoga. Okay, these are I've created 4 bite-sized modules and 2 informational videos. Okay, and it is available only for 6.99 on my website yogashraddha4.org. And I'm gonna try. I'm in the process of doing a quick workshop for the issues of flat feet, plantar fasciitis. So stay tuned and check my website for more information. Okay. So if you like today's video, please subscribe, because I try to create these videos by handling my job, my kids, my husband, and my own routine. So it's free for you, but if you subscribe, that means the world to me. And leave a feedback, a positive feedback. Okay. And another quick announcement, as you all know, is about Maitribodh. Maitribodh Parivar is a organization of a lot of volunteers, those who try to make a difference. Okay, so I have done their board level 1, which is a kind of a your deepening your bond, your connection with your divine or with your heart where divinity resides. So your life becomes simple. It's a straight divine intervention in your life. So you will direct your life. You will get a guidance internally, which way to go. And they have another offer service, I Listen You, where you get a listener. They don't judge you. They ask you sets of questions. And if you have any kind of anxiety or stress, you can have their service available. I have personally done I Listen You, and I've got so many answers to my own questions, or direction, and I'm very thankful for that. So please check their website maitribodh.org for more information. Yeah, or just pass on this information. Okay, because small kind of information can make a big world of a difference in anybody's life. Okay, so thank you for visiting, and happy practicing. See you in my next video. Dadashranam. Bye.